DJ Event Planner will change the way you manage and run your business. Streamline all of your procedures and software into one easy-to-manage system. DJ Event Planner, the ultimate online planning tool.
Hey everybody, this is Dan Cheney again for another Music Charts Archive show here on DJNTV. This week we're going back over 40 years, back to the week of July 22nd, 1978. And there were a lot of big names from the 70s in the top 10 that week, so let's get a look at it. At number 10, we have Three Times a Lady by the Commodores. This was their 10th top 40 hit for the band from Tuskegee, and it was their first #1 song. Now, songwriter and lead singer Lionel Richie has said that the inspiration from this song came from an anniversary toast that his father gave to his mother. At number 9, Take a Chance on Me by ABBA. Now, this was the third top 10 hit in the US for the Swedish group, and it was the second single from their aptly titled ABBA, the Album. It was the 7th #1 song for them in the UK. At number 8, the O'Jays and Used to Be My Girl. Now, the O'Jays took their name from Cleveland disc jockey Eddie O'Jay, somebody who helped them with their career. The group had some minor chart hits in the 60s, but really hit their stride in the 70s. This would be their 6th and final top 10 hit. At number 7, The Groove Line by Heatwave. Now, the funk disco band Heatwave was an international group. They've had members from the US, the UK, Switzerland, Czechoslovakia, and Jamaica. They charted 3 songs in the US, and their biggest was the #2 song, Boogie Nights. This one would peak at number 7. At number 6, we have Frankie Valli and Grease. Now, this theme song from the huge movie musical was on its way up to #1, and this would be Frankie Valli's last top 40 hit, unless you count the re-release of December 1963, Oh What a Night in 1994 by the Four Seasons. The Grease theme was written by Barry Gibb.
Tonight's show is brought to you by Electra Voice, DJ Event Planner, DJ Trivia, Odyssey Innovative Designs and Cases, NLFX Professional, Promo Only, and the DJNTV Insiders.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Music Charts Archive show here on DJNTV. I'm Dan Cheney, and today we're looking back at the top 10 songs from the week of July 22nd, 1978. Let's get back to it. At number 5, the Queen of Disco, Donna Summer, and Last Dance. Now, Last Dance was included in the soundtrack album to the movie Thank God It's Friday. The song won the Academy Award for Best Original Song and the Grammy for Female R&B Performance. It would go on to peak at number 3 and would be her 3rd top 10 hit at the time. 4 of her next 6 songs would go on to hit number 1. At number 4, we have the Bob Seger and the Silver Bullet Band with Still the Same. Now, this was Bob Seger's 2nd top 10 hit following Night Moves, which also peaked at number 4. It was the first single from his Stranger in Town album. The song was supposedly not about a single person, but about an amalgamation of people he met when he first went to Hollywood. Number 3, the Rolling Stones and Miss You. Now, this would be the Rolling Stones' 8th and final #1 song. The song is widely considered a disco song by the rock band. I was a kid when the song came out, and it never really felt like a disco song to me at the time when I was a kid, even though it does have some musical elements of some popular disco songs. At number 2, Baker Street by Gerry Rafferty. Now, up until this time, Gerry Rafferty was best known as the lead singer for Steelers Wheel and the song Stuck in the Middle with You. This song has its signature saxophone riff at the beginning, and it's stuck at number 2 for 6 consecutive weeks behind the song we're going to hear about next. Some people may know this song as the music you hear at the beginning of the Dave Ramsey Show. And at number 1, we have Andy Gibb and Shadow Dancing. Now, Andy Gibb's first 3 songs in the United States all hit number 1, and this was the 3rd of those 3. It spent 7 weeks at the top, and the song was written by Gibb along with his Bee brothers. It was written while they were working on the Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band film. It ended up being ranked as the #1 song for all of 1978. Well, that's it. Those were the top 10 songs from the week of July 22nd, 1978. Be sure you give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and even if you didn't like it, make sure you give us some comments about the songs. I remember hearing the song Grease as a kid at the beginning of the movie and loves hearing that against the animation going on in the background. But this has been Dan Cheney for the Music Charts Archive show here on DJNTV, and be sure to join us again next time.